Hi everyone, in this video you will see a big function, a lot of multiply, a lot of radicals, a lot of powers. So in this example we will show how the logarithmic function will destroy this function and make it easy to find the first derivative of this function. So the first step is to take ln for both sides. Then you will have ln of y on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have to use the properties of logarithmic functions. When you have multiply, this means addition. When you have divide, this means subtraction. When you have powers, you have to put it down, then multiply it by the logarithmic function. So we have this function to the power 8, so it will be 8 ln x to the power 7 minus 2x squared minus 10. Since we have multiply here, it will be plus, and you know that the sixth root means power 1 over 6. So you have to put the power down, then multiply by ln the inside function secant 8x. Now since we have divide here, it means minus, and we have the power -2 and denominator, so you have to put it down. It will be minus with minus plus 2 ln the function 6x cubed minus 10x plus 1. This is the first step. On the left hand side we have ln y, so you have to make or to find the first derivative for the left hand side and right hand side. And since we have a function in terms of y in the left hand side, you have to use the implicit differentiation. So when you multiply, or when you find the first derivative, you have to multiply by y prime. So the second step, will start with the left hand side, and the derivative of ln y is the derivative of the inside function, which is 1, but you have to multiply it by y prime by implicit differentiation, divide by the inside function, and this is equals to 8 multiplied by ln the derivative of ln x power 7 minus 2x squared minus 10, and this is equal to 7x power 6 minus 4x, and -10 is a constant, so the derivative is equal to 0. Divide by the inside function x power 7 minus 2x squared minus 10. For the second function, with the same manner, it will be plus 1 over 6 multiplied by the derivative of the ln function, and the derivative of ln function is derivative of the inside function, and it's a trigonometric function, so you have to find the derivative of the angle firstly, so it will be 8. Then you have to find the derivative of secant, which is secant tan. Secant, same angle, tan, same angle, which is 8x. Divide by the original function, which is secant 8x. So you can cancel secant 8x with secant 8x. Now the third function, we have 2. The derivative of the inside function is 18x squared minus 10 divided by the original function 6x cubed minus 10x plus 1. Now you have to multiply both sides by the function y to get y prime on the left hand side. So multiply left hand side by y and the right hand side by y, and you will get y prime equals y. The function y is this function. This is the function y. So you have to write it completely: x to the power 7 minus 2x squared minus 10 to the power 8 multiplied by sixth root of secant 8x divided by 6x cubed minus 10x plus 1 to the power negative 2. This is y, okay? Multiplied by this big bracket. Now we have 8 here, so you can multiply 8 times 7 equal 56x to the power 6 minus 8 times 4 32x divided by the denominator, which is x to the power 7 minus 2x squared minus 10. Then you have plus. You can simplify and divide 8 and 6 by 2. You will get 4 and 3. So the answer will be 4 tan 8x divided by 3, and the last one we have 2 here, so you have to multiply by 2 terms and numerator, and 2 times 18 equals to 36 x squared minus 2 times 10 20 divided by 6x cubed minus 10x plus 1. And that's it. Thank you.